Hi guys, today we are doing the sound test for JBL 3.1 soundbar. I purchased it about 5 months ago, and since then I've been using it. People say that it is not good for music. When I was about to buy it and I was searching about it online, a lot of people were saying that it's not good for music, it's just for the movies and all. But I would say that it is really good for music, and it's just that if you're using it indoors, it is good. Tremendous sound, very clear, bass is amazing. Of course, because it's a soundbar, so you cannot use it outside. For outdoors, it is not at all good. But even for a big area, if you're using it inside for indoors, any small parties or anything, it is great. So now we are gonna do the sound test. So first we will do the Dolby Atmos check. So I'll show you the sound now. And it is currently at kind of 80% of the volume. So before we start, the bass is not at 100%, it is at around 90%, and the volume is also about 80%. So now we're going to start the test. Then we'll do the test for movie, and then I'll show you how it sounds on music. So let's start. Alright, now we'll do a review of a movie scene. Like, which one should we do? Okay, we can do this Fast and Furious. I'm just randomly picking it up, so let's do it for this.
I used to live my life a quarter mile at a time. But things changed. Godfather now. I will always be in your heart.
Now I'll be raising the volume up till 42, 43, which is about 90%. I never use it because around 35, 34, it's way more than enough. I never had to use it, even for parties. I never had to use it for more than 34, 35. So just for the testing, I'm doing it on 43. Let's play.
Little Brian, have a gift for you. Your daddy gave me this. Now I'm gonna give it to you. It's very special. It's for protection from what's coming.
Alright, Dom. What's next? No matter how fast you run,
I am not to be compared to you.
no one outruns their past.
I am more easy, you trying your best to become me.
And mine just caught up to me. Been a long time down.
So we're up against a master thief, assassin, high performance driver.
Okay, as you just saw, it is amazing. Now the final test is for the music, and it is amazing for music. Let's play. It is amazing.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. Storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, from my shadow to the sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so the video was made from my phone, so the sound quality on this one, it may not sound well on your headphones or speakers, but believe me, it is a great purchase. I was very worried when I bought it. Like, I went to Reliance Digital and I listened to its sound there, but it was a very big space, so the sound effects and the bass wasn't that good there, but I still bought it. And when I just took it home, I played it, and it is amazing. So if you want to buy it, it is a very good deal. Thank you very much.